In this video, guys, we're going to be doing a comparison between distrokid and tunecore. So I'm going to be walking you through what music distributor is the best and what to actually look out for. So firstly, distrokid. So you guys can see right here that I am on the distrokid website, and by the way, I'm going to be leaving all the links to the two websites I'm going to be mentioning right here in this video in the video description, so do want to go check them out. So you guys could actually see that on distrokid you could actually upload unlimited music for $22.99. That's for a year. And distrokid could actually get your music faster to stores than any other music distributor. So basically, guys, we are actually going to be comparing their basic plan, which is their musician plan. We're also going to be comparing this plan with tunecore plan, which is the starter plan. So if we come over to the musician plan, which is the starter plan for distrokid, you guys could see that you could actually upload unlimited music with their starter plan, and basically you're actually paying almost $2 every single month for their starter plan. And you can see right here you could actually sync your lyrics right here to Google. Some other synchronization website. You could also get Spotify checkmark. You could create royalty, like if you know you want to split royalty between the friends, or maybe for example you actually record a song, like a joint song with someone, you could actually split royalty with within the person basically. So you could see right here that are the features that currently on their musician plan. Actually come over to tunecore starter plan. You could actually see that you could actually distribute unlimited music for 19, almost like close to $20 a year. So basically I'm gonna say tunecore is kind of quite cheaper than distrokid, because comparing the price right now, on tunecore basic plan you get to keep 100% of your royalties, same thing as distrokid. You also get the ability to actually schedule your own release date, which I'm gonna say on distrokid musician plan you actually do not have the ability to actually schedule your release. So but with the tunecore rising plan, which is a starter plan, basically you have the ability to schedule your release. So if you are someone who is actually looking for that kind of features, so I'm gonna advise you actually go for tunecore if you know you are someone who likes to schedule your music, because I'm gonna say it's actually one of the important things that a music distribution to have. So a music distribution must be able to schedule your release, because if you know you want to be planning your marketing strategies, stuff like that, you should be able to plan your release date, which I'll say it's actually something that distrokid do not have on their basic plan, but you could actually get that on tunecore basic plan. You could also get Spotify verified checkmark, which I'll say distrokid also offer that. tunecore also offer royalty split if you know you want to split your royalties and stuff like that. And also they also give you 30 days customer support. So basically if you actually reach out to them, if you are on their basic plan basically, which is the rising artist plan, you could actually get respond in less than 30 days. But on distrokid it is not actually stated on their website basically. So on tunecore basic plan, which is their rising artist plan, you also get your own ISRC code, so you don't need to pay for that. It's actually free. Same thing on distrokid, also it's also free to get your ISRC code. So distrokid also has their musician plus plan, which I would say is one of the most popular plan that people on distrokid always use. So basically you could actually distribute for 2 artists, and you're actually going to be paying almost $40 a year. So you could actually upload unlimited music. So I'll actually say this is one of the plan you should actually go for if you know you want to try out distrokid, because it actually has everything that is on the musician plus plan, which is their basic plan. It also gives you the ability to sync lyrics to Apple Music. So if you know you want to sync your lyrics, you could actually do that. It's also going to be giving you the features to see your daily streaming stacks, customize your label name, customize your release date, which I would say it's something that is not on distrokid musician plan, which is the starter plan. So but you could actually get that on tunecore starter plan. So distrokid also gives you the ability to customize your iTunes pricing. So if you know you want to customize your iTunes pricing, you can also do that with their musician plan. So for those of you who kind of love professionalism, so you like to kind of customize your label name, for those of you that are an independent artist who owns his or our label, so the musician plus plan give you the ability to customize your label name, stuff like that. So guys, if you actually check tunecore breakout artist plan, so you could actually get the artist plan for just that $5, which I would say it's kind of way less cheaper than distrokid, because if you're actually going to be going for the musician plus plan, it's actually $40 for a year, but you could actually get the breakout artist plan on tunecore for just $35, guys, and you could actually upload unlimited music. So I'll also say it also like gives you more features, same thing as to what distrokid musician plan also give you, because you could actually like get 100% of your royalties, stuff like that. You also give you good customer support. So basically they're actually going to be replying to your messages in less than 2 business days. So they also give you the ability to like see your daily trends, so see your stats. They also give you free ISLC code. What I would say it's not actually on tunecore breakout artist plan is actually the ability to customize your label name. So like I said earlier, for those of you who love professionalism and would love to like customize your label name, stuff like that, you cannot actually do that using the tunecore breakout artist plan. But with distrokid musician plus plan, you could actually customize your label name, which I would say distrokid actually has more advantage than tunecore musician aspect of things. Like for example, now distrokid musician plus plan give you the ability to customize your label name, give you the ability like to customize your iTunes pricing, like customize your pre-order date, stuff like that, which I would say is not actually included in the tunecore breakout artist plan. Basically, I'm gonna say it's kind of more expensive than tunecore, and the reason is because they're kind of giving you more features, and that's the reason why I would say it's kind of expensive, because there are some stuff you could actually do on the breakout artist plan that you cannot do on distrokid musician plus plan. So guys, if you're enjoying the video so far, please do well to give the video a like, smash the subscribe button, and turn on the notification bell, because my channel is all about the music business. We walk artists through how to grow. We also walk artists through how to make money from their stuff and everything about the music business in general. So if you're someone who is actually interested in the music business, or you're an artist, you're a music producer, and you want to learn about the music business, so do well to smash the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. Guys, could see right here that distrokid also has their ultimate plan, which actually goes for $90 a year. So basically this plan is for those of you who run a record label. So basically you could actually distribute for multiple artists. You could actually distribute up to 5 to like 100 artists with this plan, and you're actually paying close to $90 every single year to actually upload unlimited music. So basically this plan actually has everything that distrokid musician plus plan has. It has the ability to like to sync lyrics to Apple Music, like basically everything that the musician plus plan has the ability to customize your label name, has the ability to like to customize your release date, your pre-order, stuff like that. It also give you the ability to monitor your music on Spotify and Apple Music, which I would say it's not actually included in their musician plus plan. And also it also give you the ability to get playlist content. So I'm gonna say this is more of you getting your song playlisted. So for those of you that may want to like get your song on playlist, placement, stuff like that, so if you actually like go with the distrokid, the ultimate plan, which is kind of a label plan, that's the reason why they actually called it a label plan. It's also going to be giving you more like marketing features, so you could actually like get a lot of contacts to playlist creators and playlist owners. So basically you could actually like just get your song playlisted on streaming platforms. So this is just like to save you the stress of you finding on a contacts list or phone numbers of playlist creator and playlist owner. So this is kind of gonna like ease your stress, so you'll be able to like get their contact info and just reach out to them to get your song playlisted. So if you actually compare the distrokid ultimate plan with the tunecore professional plan, which is kind of their own label plan right here, you could actually get tunecore professional plan for just $50 a year. So basically you could actually upload unlimited music, which I would say it's kind of a bit cheaper than distrokid, because if you're actually going to be copying $50 to like $90, like you see right here that there's a whole lot difference to the gap. So we actually get everything that is included in the breakout artist plan on tunecore. So basically it also gives you the ability like to create a cover art. So for those of you that are not kind of good in creating cover art, stuff like that, so if you actually like go with the tunecore professional plan, you could actually have the ability to like create cover art. And also this feature is also available on the breakout artist plan on tunecore. So they could help you like create your cover art, stuff like that. You also get promotional opportunities if you actually go with the TuneCore professional plan. So you have the ability like to customize your label name, stuff like that. So basically you get everything that distrokid offer you right here on the TuneCore professional plan. Like everything is actually like stated here. So one thing I want you guys to like keep in mind is if you're actually going to be adding an additional artist to TuneCore. So let's just say, for example, you are on their professional plan, which is their label plan. So if you know you want to add additional artists, you're actually going to be paying close to $15 for you to like add additional artists to the roster. While on distrokid, you're only just paying $90 annually to actually just add as much artists as you want. So basically I'm going to say everything just depend on the price and what you could actually afford. And basically it's all about what kind of features you want for your music. Like I always tell artists that they should try to cut their clothes according to their size. So guys, what I'm going to advise you guys to do is, if you know you are going to be looking or picking any music distributor, what I will advise you to do is to actually just look out for what you actually want. Look out for what you want them to do for you before signing up on any plan. So basically I'm going to say both of the music distribution platform are good. It actually just depends what you want them for. So guys, I hope you guys have gotten any value from the video. So if you know you did, please don't forget to like the video, smash the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. So whenever I upload an awesome video, you're going to be the first person to be notified. But if you know you're still confused on the best music distribution platform to choose, I'm going to advise you to actually check out the video right here to go look at the best music distribution platform right here in 2024. So click on the video right here and I'm going to see you guys in the video.